Welcome to the Rosary Reparation 2020. We're here at the Dallas Cathedral in Dallas, Texas. We're here to offer a rosary to our Lord to have mercy on us. Our Mass has been taken away. This has not been done by Pope Francis, by the priests, the bishops. This is done through the permissive will of God. We are here to offer and say we are sorry to our Lord for taking away all of our sacraments and everything that we hold dear in the holy sacrifice of the Mass.
I pray that all of you listening to this will do your part in being with Christ during this tribulation, in prayer, in penance, offering up your sufferings for our bishops, that they are properly able to discern the will of God and bring back the Mass. Viva Cristo Rey!